In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this image for free. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for more update. You can use the Microsoft Bing app or Google Chrome, but we're using the app first, then we use Google Chrome. Watch the video till the end. Open the app. Click on the image creator. Or go to the apps. Click on Image Creator. You can get the prompt in description of this video. Copy that prompt and paste it. Click on Create. Click the three dots and download. Change it from young man to young girl. And you can change the name and add your. Now we are using Google Chrome. Search for Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Click on the first site. You can get the prompt in description of this video. enjoy the video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe.